we're going to be talking a little bit more about growing your business. Now, there's very few ways that you can really grow your business. The first thing is to get new customers or get new leads that turn into customers, right? The second thing is to get your existing customers to spend more. The next thing you can do is to get your customers to spend more regularly. And finally, you could increase your prices. So there's really only very few ways you can increase your revenue from marketing. So a lot of times I get questions from clients that ask me, I need to work more on my marketing. Okay, can you help me to market better? What they're really saying is that they want to get more leads to their business. They want to get new customers. They want to get the existing customers to spend more, get the existing customers to spend more often, or to increase their prices. Okay, so that's really the only ways you can increase the revenue for your business. Now, a lot of times, these same businesses, they focus on the wrong thing. They focus on trying to acquire new customers instead of focusing on their existing customers. When you focus on new customers, you end up spending a lot more to acquire brand new customers who have never heard about you, who don't have a relationship with you. So what ends up happening is that the amount of revenue you can get typically works out to be about 15% of your current revenue, which is kind of like a low percentage. However, those other businesses that are a little bit more mature, they have a customer base, and what they do is to focus on getting these existing customers to spend more and more regularly. And this is where we are seeing the biggest lift for a lot of the brands that we work with, where they are actually generating 30% of their sales from returning customers. That's more than double what they will get from chasing down new customers, right? Just in one instance where we focus on a loyalty program for for a supplement brand that we work with, they were able to get over 30% growth just the last quarter alone. The previous quarter, they did 20% growth, and the quarter before that, they had 10%. These are all returning customers, and this is month-on-month growth. By focusing on our marketing efforts on getting existing customers to recur, to keep coming back to the site to purchase more often, we were able to increase their revenue. And not just their revenue, but the average sale per customer on the site. So rather than focusing on acquiring brand new customers, which I say is expensive, you can focus on your existing customers and get a lot better results for the same amount of effort.